Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much healing. Hello.
My name is Michelle Tube. My school is called Jonathan Glog Academy. I'm 8 years old. I live in Akela 2. My name is Elsie Tube. I'm 7 years old. I go to school at Jonathan Glog Academy.
My name is Frida Kelio. I'm a second year student at Kisii University.
I was born in November and my birthday was in November 20th. My birthday is on July 14th. My country is Kenya. I'm a Christian. The president of Kenya is called Uhuru. I live in Akila 2. I'm in class 2G. My best subject is CRE and social studies.
I'm aspiring to be a lawyer and I'm proud of it.
When I grow up, I want to be a fashion designer. When I grow up, I want to be a fashion designer.
About Michelle Tube and Elsie Tube, they've been good people and special people in my life. As most of the time I spend with them, they're playful kids, we make fun. At times we also read together. It helps me in my educative part as they contribute mostly in my learning. Also, as I teach, I also learn with them and make merry as we chat around and also play together. During many nights we have fun reading storybooks, and also we do serve in the same church, and I also serve the part of being their teacher as I help them read through their homework for church and also to read the Bible.
Surrounding